Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Manchurian gravy. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies to build a robust flavor foundation. Also, prepare your liquid seasonings, soy sauce, vinegar, and a touch of chili sauce for that signature tang and heat. Don't forget cornstarch and water for our thickening slurry, and some vegetable broth or water for the gravy's body. Now let's build our flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies, sautéing them for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of chopped onions, cooking them until they become translucent. Finally, stir in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, letting them simmer briefly to combine. To achieve that perfect gravy consistency, pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth or water and bring it to a gentle boil. While that heats, prepare your cornstarch slurry by mixing 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of water until smooth. Slowly drizzle this slurry into the boiling gravy, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes until the gravy thickens beautifully. For the final touches, taste your gravy and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your preference. A small addition of 1 teaspoon of sugar can perfectly balance the sweet and savory notes. Stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped spring onion greens for a vibrant finish. Your delicious Manchurian gravy is now ready. Serve it hot over your favorite fried rice or noodles and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.